Hello everyone. Today we are going to continue with universal design. What is universal design? It is a process of designing products so that they can be used by as many people as possible in as many situations as possible. Example, designing interactive systems that are usable by anyone with any range of abilities using any technology platform. This can be achieved by designing systems either to have built-in redundancy or to be compatible with assistive technology. There are 7 principles of universal design of interactive system. Number 1, equitable use. Number 2, flexibility in use. Number 3, simple and intuitive to use. Number 4, perceptible information. Number 5, tolerance for error. Number 6, low physical effort. And number 7, size and space for approach and use. Principle 1, equitable use. The design is useful and marketable to people with diverse abilities. Provide the same means of use for all users, identical whenever possible, equivalent when not. Avoid segregation or stigmatizing by any users. Provisions for privacy, security, and safety should be equally available for all users. Make the design appealing to all users. Principle 2, flexibility in use. The design accommodates a wide range of individual preferences and abilities. Provide choice in method of use. Accommodate right or left-handed access and use. Facilitate the user's accuracy and precision. Provide adaptability to the user's space. Principle 3, simple and intuitive use. Use of the design is easy to understand regardless of the user's experience, knowledge, language skills, or current concentration level. Eliminate unnecessary complexity. Be consistent with user expectations and intuition. Accommodate a wide range of literacy and language skills. Arrange information consistent with its importance. Provide effective prompting and feedback during and after task completion. Principle 4, receptive information. The design communicates necessary information effectively to the user, regardless of ambient conditions or the user's sensory ability. Use different modes, pictorial, verbal, tactile, for redundant presentation of essential information. Provide adequate contrast between essential information and its surroundings. Maximize legibility of essential information. Differentiate elements in ways that can be described. Example, make it easy to give instructions or directions. Provide compatibility with a variety of techniques or devices used by people with sensory limitation. Principle 5, tolerance for error. The design minimizes hazards and the adverse consequences of accidental or unintended actions. Arrange elements to minimize hazards and errors. Most used elements, most accessible, hazardous elements, eliminated, isolated or shielded. Provide warnings of hazards and errors. Provide fail-safe features and discourage unconscious action in tasks that require vigilance. Principle 6, low physical effort. The design can be used effectively and efficiently, comfortably, with a minimum of fatigue. allow user to maintain a neutral body position, use reasonable operating forces, minimize repetitive actions, and minimize sustained physical effort. And finally, Principle 7, size and space for approach and use. Appropriate size and space is provided for approach, reach, manipulation, and use regardless of user's body size, posture, or mobility. Provide a clear line of sight to important elements for any seated or standing user. Make reach to all components comfortable for any seated or standing user. Accommodate variations in hand and grip size, and provide adequate space for the use of assistive devices or personal assistant. We have discussed the definition of universal design and also what are the 7 principles of universal design of interactive system.